Are you looking for delicious flavorful soya chunks recipe? Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you recipe of Saffola mini soya chunks. So this mini soya chunk pack is 40 gram and that will cost you rupees 10 only. So moving on to the recipe, we are going to prepare soya chunks for the curry. So first in a large vessel take enough water and when the water starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon salt and now add the soya chunks. Boil just for 2 minutes until the soya softs and drain off, transfer it into the cold water. Now squeeze out all the water. Moving on to the next step is to marinate the soya chunks. So transfer soya chunks in a large bowl and add half a cup of curd. Add ginger garlic paste, then chili powder, then turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, salt and some kasuri methi. Mix well, make sure that everything is well combined and we are going to allow to marinate for 30 minutes. So this step is over, but we are going to use kaju paste for gravy. So to prepare kaju paste, soak 10 kaju in half a cup of hot water for 15 minutes and then blend it into a smooth paste. Now in a pan heat 2 tablespoons of oil, then add 2 bay leaves, some cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, cumin seed. Now saute on low flame. Now add 1 chopped onion and saute until the onion turns golden brown. Now keep the flame on the low and add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder. Saute on low flame until the spices turn aromatic. And now we are going to add marinated soya chunks. Cook for 2 more minutes. Further add 1.5 cup of tomato puree. So to prepare tomato puree, blend 2 ripened tomatoes to smooth paste without adding any water. Cook until the tomato puree thickens slightly. Now add half a cup of cashew paste which we prepared and then salt. Mix well and continue to cook until you get the desired thickness of the gravy. And at last, coriander leaves. Finally, enjoy the soya chunk curry with roti or paratha. The soya chunk has the similar texture to the chicken and this is delicious Indian veg chicken curry. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.